do 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 Gonna change my answering machine now that I'm alone. 'Cause at night says that we can come into the phone. And I know it makes no sense. I see what I've done. But it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous. It's been months for some reason I just and I'm stronger than this. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can I turn off the radio? Why can I turn off the radio?